0, 1, 2, 3.
Hey, welcome back, guys. So yeah, it's been a week, I think, since I did a video. But you know, things get busy, whatever, full-time job. And there's not a whole lot of wheeling right here where I live. Then going down to the beach, we got a couple roads. They're basically like fire trails, and if you get lucky, there's a little washout someplace to go play in, but that's really about it. So lately, I've just been doing a few upgrades, if you guys noticed. And then, like anybody knows, regardless of what your hobbies are, sometimes you got chores and you know your daily stuff that you got to deal with. So you guys have noticed in the background of some of my little clips, I got a little riding mower I've been working on. So today, that's what we're going to be working on. Hope you guys like it. Anyways, what we're doing is I got the rear blade. If you guys probably noticed in a couple of my videos, and then I'm doing a front blade, and I'm trying to figure out the geometry to get things to move up and down, so I could do like a homemade lift blade or whatever. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the basic concept of the rear mechanism for the rear blade and transfer it to the front, and we'll see how that goes. So if you guys noticed, so I have something similar to this, I have something similar to this. The difference is they're so close together and so long on the front that I'm not quite sure how all of this is gonna work. Let's go look. So as you can see, what I want to do here, I'll set you guys down, is I want to put a tab, kind of comes up and over, so I could run a rod down with another little tab, so that, and then this will have a tab over here with a rod, so when you pull it, it rotates and lifts everything up and down.
Real good.
So I think I'm going to take this bracket and just tack weld it on there. Ooh, excuse me, I can rotate this bar to check my geometry. And I got a feeling that this bar right here, that riser, is too tall. So I might have to drill a couple of holes and figure out which one works the best. And then go from there. And then my other plan, is over here. I'll put another little tab and a bar that runs up, and then you just push and pull and do all that stuff. And then on this blade, I'm going to copy the one on the back so that I can pitch the blade right or left if I need to do some fancy cutting. tab and a bar, this should be no problem. So I think I got my geography right and everything's gonna work out. Let's move on to, I'm gonna put a couple of pins in these holes here to keep it centered. We're gonna put a tab on here and a bar, and yeah, I think we're moving along.
Oh, that's real good.
All right, so we got this all boxed in. We're gonna take this piece, weld it on top of that piece, or that piece right there, and then it should look something like that piece.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody.
All right, so here's where we're at right now. I'm basically gonna call it a day. It's been a long, warm day over here. And I'm getting to the point where I need to do some serious thinking. And I think I'm pretty much done with that for the day. But it does go up and down. Without the blade, it goes no problem. But that blade puts a few extra pounds on there. And with all the leverage and whatnot, I think that little bar right there needs to be longer. Yeah, and then so you see I did a little circle thing with the bolt in it. So what'll happen is this plate, when you lower it, it doesn't drop straight, it drops like this. So then if you pull this pin to kick the blade, hold on, my finger out of the way. This thing is like this at an angle. So then this blade, when you swing it around, it tilts on an axis like this. So what I'm gonna do is, once I kind of get that over here and figure it out, I'll drill another hole at an angle here and a hole that way. So if I pull it this way, I could drop the blade down. You know, it'll be at an angle, but it'll be kind of parallel to the ground for the most part. So that's it. I'm calling it a day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share with a friend, ring the bell for notification, all that fun stuff. And most importantly, go out, have fun, create something. Heck, you know, that's how we all got started. Is not all of us could afford to go out and just buy what we wanted to go play, so we had to build it and stuff like this. Even though it's not off-road related, it is fabrication. There's a lot of thinking involved, and it'll get you started. Thanks a lot.